Hello everyone and welcome back to this latest video on our YouTube channel RescoliByCarlo. And today I'm showing you the last pieces we did for the year 2020, which are basically a pair of bedside tables. They were old mahogany pieces, and we turned them into classical French look. We used as base salt of the earth from the Frenchic furniture paint. Then we used sponging with cool beans from the alfresco range. We mixed some gorgeous gold and sexy silver from the Frenchic range, the metallics, and finally we did some browning wax all over and removed the browning wax from the door and the drawers. And here you can see the difference between the bedside table, like here, and the drawers. And also here you can see the staging that we did for our TikTok and Facebook page. So basically this is an ensemble of these two pieces that we are circulating on all our social media. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have the majority, practically 75% of you people watching these videos who haven't subscribed yet to our channel. The advantage of it is that you will get our videos by notification on your mobile, which practically are every Sunday. And with these coming shots, these close-ups coming in after I stop blabbering, I just wish you a new year full of health, love and peace. We all deserve it after such a difficult year we have passed through. Ta-ta!